Okay, this model is we customized for one of our customer. You can see here, this is a small CNC model, and this you can see here, the pipe is not like this regular pipes in my hands. In the video, this is a square steel tube. That's why we customize the shape of the molds into square shape, so that to make sure our customer can crimp this kind of square tubes very tightly. So you can see our factory can not only provide you the regular hose crimping machines, but also can customize according to your requirements. So if you need to crimp different shapes of hoses, for example, this square tubes, we also can customize for you. So please make sure you tell us the size of the hose you need to crimp, so that we can customize the suitable hose crimping machine for you.